Hey guys, welcome back to episode 9 of Restaurant Tycoon 2. Alright, now we have 2 chefs that are both level 1.
No, what is a trainee chef?
Nope, he's not.
Yes!
Alright, now he's not a trainee chef, so now there could be people cooking. I'll be a waiter.
I'll be a waiter.
No,
because I don't want people. Oh, it's hot cooking.
not really, honestly.
Well, that's
Right? Good. Have any quests? Buy 10 shares. Onion rings, bang bang, nachos. Alright.
alright.
How much is another?
Cheesecake.
Cheesecakes. Lord, thank you for take it away.
Oh, there's another cupcake egg. It's 1.6 stars, my guy. We're so creative top. Let's see what the restaurant like there. Yo, the restaurant behind us is the IKEA.
IKEA.
Well, it looks like one.
Whoa.
Look, there TV down.
Man has a car. Oh my god.
Oh, good heavens, that guy has literally ice cream, my guy.
Oh, he has an outside.
Has an outside, has aquarium.
I think we have more customers than him.
Yeah, totally not. He has a smoothie and has bread.
Oh yeah, never mind.
The second floor and third floor, I think.
Damn. He has chefs at level 15. Alright, yeah, I'm going. I'm too jealous.
My sister restaurant was like this.
Hmm.
But who likes my sister?
My sister.
Can I sell this court?
Our restaurant is way better.
Way more peaceful.
True. Oh, we have $200 waiting for us.
Did you? I just got money eyes.
Lord, thank you for thank you for Spinorama. We
260. Oh!
no scope.
Oh! Your mom's ass. Oh!
Oh, VIP customer, VIP. Treat him
Imagine
well.
there's 2 VIP customers.
It's impossible, I think.
I think it's possible, but it's really rare.
Oh my god, we're gonna have so many order. They're all gonna order water, so I knew it. Go serve the VIP customer. Oh, thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Okay. It's 12 a.m.
It's still dark.
Yeah, it's 12 a.m. Huh.
Clay.
Hey, let's go. Juice? Orange juice? Take some orange juice. Ooh, another dish. Mexican burrito. Oh, crap. My food burned. Alright. Our waiter's almost level 7. Alright, nachos and onion rings. Look, I have a strat. Look, I turn my mouse and then I do like this. It goes up. Oh, wait, wrong. 1 second, I'm on the wrong screen.
Wrong street, my guy. You're
Because I have a monitor and a computer. So here, my monitor
So
is...
if you didn't have
there.
that, we're not. we're not gonna be like, you know, like old gaming videos.
Oh yeah, those are not good. Because our old gaming videos, I took my iPad and I took a keyboard and yeah, I don't want to talk about it. It was really bad.
Oh. Especially that Anime Adventures one. Who watch Anime Adventures?
People. Ooh, it's somebody's birthday.
Happy birthday
Day
to
to
you.
you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to. Watch, they're all gonna start with water.
No.
Yeah.
Juice. You have juice now?
Yeah. Juice and water.
Yes, I got juice.
One orange juice for you and 3 waters.
Bye.